This video will cover how to fix a broken door handle. Start by removing the 3 Torx screws that hold the armrest in place. Remove the small Torx screws that hold the plastic panel in place. Then unplug the door lock and the mirror buttons. Roll down the window, then pop the door clips out with the putty knife. And if you haven't done any sound dampening, now is the time to do it. I have an older video that covers this subject. Drill out the old rivet, and then chisel off the head. Place the door latch rod in the new door handle. Secure it in place with the factory clip. Install a new rivet. A cheap pop rivet gun works very well. Go ahead and test the function of the door handle before proceeding. Reinstall the door panel by pushing the pins into the door. And don't forget this plastic beauty cover. Reinstall the door plastic and various control buttons. And then finally, reinstall the 3 Torx screws that hold in the armrest. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for behind the scenes work and prototypes.